Nakitlong kari kasi. Ngiwan lam siya pi ko sngur bakhuj parpasngam. Ka beats aqua. Shpausnem dang yai pinja sliang.
Kajing pentray kam ya ka special intensive revision SIR chong kinong tepvot ha po kajala migalia klaya chat pat hadu menta la sam hadu khat khandai lak khandai phu hejat praspa proplightly ki enumeration form kabakot shaga propusal point new percent Chief Electoral Officer CEO jong migalia Dr. BDR Tiwari ulayetho ba khat khandai lak khandai phu hejat praspa proplightly ki enumeration form la sam shaki Arpulai lak sab khandai jan rus pa sab san mut ki nong tep vote ka jala hado menta san lak rusa hojan rus pa shipho ki enumeration form la pen kala digital ka West Gender Hills kadai ka bon tam ban sam ya ki enumeration form hadu khnai pu pra point khnai sa percent both saka Southwest Garo Hills khnai pnyo point nyo percent North Garo Hills khnai san point khanar percent Southwest Khas Hills khnai pho point lai pnyo percent bar ka East Garo Hills prapu pra point prapu sa percent Yaka East Gender Hills lale digital Southway point percent both saka Southwest Khas Hills South Pho point lai percent Eastern West Khas Hills lai point percent Southwest Garo Hills lai South point percent but ka West Garo Hills lai point percent Chief Electoral Officer Haka khatlai trek mandau pnai ula pelong ya ka jing slok bat ki MLA halo ka SIR hapo MLA hostel la Shillong haka ba CEO ula batai ya ka jing tbu kapor par ka rukam pentrai kam ya ka SIR
The Special Intensive Revision 2026 of Electoral Roll in Meghalaya continues to witness encouraging progress through the concerned effort of the election machinery and active cooperation of electors across the state. In this enumeration phase, which started from 30th June and that will continue till 29th of July for 30 days, and as on 14th July 2026 today, out of total 23,49,645 electors, the 19,91,883 enumeration form have been distributed by the BLOs to the electors, achieving an overall 84.77% coverage in form distribution. In addition, 5,64,610 enumeration form have been digitized, accounting for 24.03% of total electors. So, district registering the highest enumeration form percentage-wise are the Jaintia Hills 98.94%, Southwest Garo Hill 97.77%, North Garo Hill 95.12%, Southwest Khasi Hill 90.37% and East Garo Hill 88.84%. And similarly, districts recording the highest digitization of enumeration forms are East Jaintia Hill 41.55%, Southwest Khasi Hill 40.31%, Eastern West Khasi Hill 36.73% and Southwest Garo Hill 34.01% and West Garo Hill 33.23%. As part of the Commission's effort to enhance awareness and public participation, the CO office through the district election officers and electoral registration officers and BLOs on the ground, the interaction program on the special intensive revision with the Honorable already ongoing. The CO office Meghalaya has undertaken this initiative to have an interaction program with honorable members of Meghalaya Assembly in hybrid mode on the 13th July. So during this interaction, we got the opportunity to brief the objective, significance, timeline, procedure of the special intensive revision and try to answer whatever queries and feedback coming from the field and to address all those queries to have more clarity on the SIR process. So, to have more awareness among the electors and encouraging eligible citizens to actively participate in this revision process. To ensure effective monitoring and timely implementation of SIR, we are conducting weekly VCs with the district election officers, EROs and AEROs. And during these reviews, different aspect of the SIR is already being briefed, and we try to address different issues coming across. And the officers who are like the supervisor, AERO, ERO, they are closely monitoring the work of BLOs and to promptly resolve the issues at the field level to ensure all the activities are carried out smoothly and completed strictly within the timeline prescribed by the Election Commission of India. So we appreciate the tireless effort of the district election officers, electoral registration officers, AEROs, supervisors, and booth level officers, especially who are doing the house to house visit and helping the elector to get this enumeration form filled properly and collect and digitize for their dedicated effort toward the successful implementation of SIR in the state. So electors who are not yet received or submitted their enumeration form are requested to cooperate with the booth level officer during their house to house visits and complete the process at the earliest. Electors may also contact their respective BLOs for any assistance regarding the special intensive revision, and they can book a call with BLO, and BLO is supposed to address all those queries, issues within stipulated time frame. So CO office is once again appeal all eligible electors to actively participate in the special intensive revision 2026 and ensure that every eligible citizen is included in the electoral roll, and strengthening the democratic process and upholding the principle of inclusion and participative elections. So once the pre-printed enumeration form already been distributed, so we, through the BLOs, we request at least all the electors who received the enumeration form, they should fill the respective information in the prescribed columns and submit to the BLO. And there are the two form has been given to each and every elector, so they are supposed to take the receiving copy from the BLO, and BLO is supposed to digitize all those forms and then through the BLO app. So this is one process where we request the support from all the sections, and lot of awareness, more awareness on the different aspect is required. So our officers in the field are there just to address all those issues. One common query is coming from the different sections, like if person is not present during that time of visit at their place of stay or staying outside of the state, like the student, patients who are going out of the state for the treatment or for the employment purpose, how they can come and fill their form, or they are supposed to come and do physically filling that and sign and give the physical form only. So that is not mandatory. They can fill the form online. So anybody, online form filling facility is available for all electors of the state, and they can fill the form. So they should download the ECI Net app, or they can log in through the portal and fill the form online. In respect to getting the details of the relatives in the previous SIR, which in the state it was as on 1/1/2005. So this electoral roll of 2005 is available on the district website and CO's website also. They can download and or they can access through the ECI Net or the portal to get the details of relatives, and they can fill this form properly. And as well as BLO has access to all the details, so BLOs are helping the elector to fill the form properly. So with the right information, the filled enumeration form to be collected timely by the BLOs. So all needful process done correctly. So entire machinery is on the job at the ground.
So what about those whose
They are the electors now. So suppose that they become elector after 2005. So first case, the progeny will be there. Their mother parents' name might be there in the 2005 SIR. So they should give the detail of their relative, either mother or father or grandparents, as case may be applicable. So in the second column, where there are the three columns in the enumeration form given, below the first column where the detail is already pre-printed. So in first column, the person who was elector in the 2005, his or her name was in 2005 SIR, they should give their detail in that one. If secondly, they along with them they can give their relatives name also, but that is not mandatory if their name already been found. But if the person's name was not there but the parent's name is there as relative, so they can give the detail of their parent in the previous SIR, the 2005 electoral roll in the state. But even though there might be cases where not found in the both, either their detail or parent detail, they might be new elector in the state, they can give all their detail in the third column, and they can at least submit at the time of the claim objection. They are supposed to submit the one of the identity proof, the 11 document which already been prescribed by the Election Commission of India.
So, but what about those whose parents are not even there in the 2005 SIR?
If parent not, then might be grandparent. And I already told, if no one was there, then also if they are the present day elector in the state, they can give their entire detail in the third, another column is also there, and then to submit the proof of one of the identity as prescribed in that those list of the 11 documents along with that.
Sir, what has been the public response so far?
Public response is very good, and we are not getting across any so far the complaints, and BLOs are trying to have this door-to-door visit and distribution of the enumeration form. Sometimes they are taking the help of the local authorities at least to get the message passed so people can come and then to approach BLO, because we come across such incidences where the people are not at the time of BLO's visit, like the working time. So 10 to 5 they are also working, so house is locked. So they are giving a special time also. One day they are calling in some places through the village authorities, intimating them so they can come forward and submit their enumeration form or receive the enumeration form and submit the filled enumeration form. And the BLOs are helping to the all electors who are having any problem in filling the enumeration form and then collecting and digitizing all those forms.
What about those who are in the jail, rehabilitation centers, hospitals?
Whoever are there, basically there might be some people in their family. So person need not to give those by himself signed form. Their relative, spouse and other person, they can also give on their behalf filled enumeration form and submit to the BLOs. First thing. And in any such cases, then authorities are taking needful action and cooperating with all sections of people, so they can fill their enumeration form. If not possible physically, then online.
Sir, as of now, how many electors have actually filled their forms and submitted it to you, sir? Out of all these 23 lakh forms which you had submitted?
Basically, 19,91,883 forms already distributed by BLO to the electors. And how many forms they physically collected but not yet digitized, that data is not available because they collect, but there are the network issues. In the Meghalaya, this is rainy season, this is one challenge our BLOs are facing at the ground. So they collect filled form, then sometimes they come to the block offices where AEROs are sitting, seeking the help of the DEOs and other election like their supervisors, are they coming to ERO office, district office, then the filled enumeration form they are digitizing. So we are having the data of how many form already filled and digitized, uploaded. So total 5,64,610 enumeration form digitized and already uploaded on the BLO app. So total 24.03% form are already digitized. Region basically they are also working on the ground, and there are basically some urban rural areas where they found in the rural area, if you see the rural constituency in the East Khasi Hill, percentage is a bit higher than the urban. So in the urban we are just with the changing strategy on the Saturday and other days, they are just beyond office time, they are approaching BLOs to the people so they can access them, because more people are in the working class. So that also becoming one region, and now all the functionaries are in the full swing. So I hope they will also, and if you, they will do this task in the time, and they are also shown a considerable progress during, we have the previous week VC and this time within 4 days, and we have seen a quite satisfactory progress in the digitization or in the distribution of the forms. They are supposed to approach and give these enumeration form to prominent citizens, but it's not supposed to distribute. So all the field level functionaries are have to ensure, if they are calling the people, it should be either the polling station, in some cases to facilitate the people, or the common community place. But mandate is there, they have to give the form to the elector at their house, and if the elector is not been found, they have to make 3 consecutive visits and record that, and if not, then they are supposed to paste the enumeration form to the house of the elector. All the electors to cooperate with the BLOs, and in case of your neighbor and other people who are not present, you may pass on the message, you can share their details or pass on the message so they can collect the enumeration form from the BLOs, or the student who are residing outside, they can also at least fill the enumeration form online, who are not been able to come physically due to various reasons, so they can fill the enumeration form online. But the timeline will be the 29th of July. So within this period, all the eligible electors we would like to appeal and request to submit their filled and signed enumeration form either through BLO or the online form submission also. So then they can digitally sign and submit it online. They can approach to the electoral registration officer or the district election officer or CEO office in case of any help, any problem if they are coming across.
Sao Ayam. Escape the ordinary and experience tranquility at Sao Ayam, located at Umed Shillong Bypass, Repoint. Whether you're planning a relaxing getaway, a family outing, or a special celebration, we've got you covered. Comfortable rooms are now available, while our restaurant and swimming pool are open to both guests and the public. We also offer professional catering services with bar service for all events. Book your perfect escape today. For reservations and inquiries, call 98-631-95125. Sao Ayam, where comfort, nature, and hospitality comes together.